What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to do a quick video about downshifting and rev matching and how to do it and why you do it, and hopefully you'll learn something from it. Stay tuned. So obviously motorcycles, most of them are manual transmissions. You will need to downshift to get into the lower gear. Now, there's a couple reasons that you can do it. You can downshift to engine brake to slow you down, or you can downshift to be in the power band of the motorcycle so that you have more power. When you downshift, you want to rev match. Rev matching is matching the throttle and the RPMs to the level that you would be in that previous gear. So I'll say that again. Rev matching is downshifting and giving it enough throttle to where it would be in the RPMs in that previous gear. So right now, I think I'm in like 4th gear. Right now I'm in 4th gear. If I wanted to have a little bit more power right now, let's just say I'm going up this hill. If I wanted to have a little more power, I would push the clutch in, give it throttle to the RPMs that it would be in 3rd gear, from 4th gear to 3rd gear. So right now I push the clutch in, rev match, downshift, and let off the clutch. Now that was a bit of an amateur job because I'm doing it slow and I'm trying to explain it. When you really do it, it goes a lot faster. So right now I'm in 4th gear, 3rd gear, more power. If you want even more power, 2nd gear, even more power. So that gets you in the power band. Now here's actually a good place to show what engine braking is. So right now I'm in 3rd gear and the bike's starting to go maybe a little faster for this turn. There's a car in front of me. I'm gonna downshift, rev match, and downshift into 2nd gear. And now the bike is slowing down. I'm not on the brake. The bike is slowing down because it is engine braking. The engine is stopping me from going any faster because I'm not giving it throttle. Obviously, if you're going to give it throttle, it's going to go. But if you want it to slow you down, you downshift and you allow the bike to slow you down. So that's downshifting. You want to rev match to downshift, and you want to downshift to either be in the power band of the motorcycle or slow you down with engine braking. If this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And let me know if you guys learned something from it. Let me know if I helped you in any way. Till next time, take it easy.